We are looking at how to pronounce this name in Spanish. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced Spanish words and names, some of the most mispronounced ones too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So what is Spanish for Emma? How do you say it in Spanish? It is said as Emma. Emma. Very straightforward once you know. Emma. You kind of ignore the double M. In Spanish, in fact, if it was a Spanish person, it would generally be spelled with one M only in Spanish, Emma. Pretty straightforward. Emma is Spanish for Emma. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.